My name is Andrew Christie. I'm currently a registered nurse in the medical intensive care unit at Erie County Medical Center. I'm also a first semester student in the BSN program at the University of Buffalo. The purpose of this video is to share my experience with lifelong learning and share a plan with how I will continue to do this in my career. This presentation will also discuss my career goals. My current career goals are simple. They are just to be the best critical care nurse that I can be. I am currently working on getting certified as a critical care registered nurse. Maybe my plans will change one day, but I really love what I do. I've spent a lot of time over the course of this semester learning about myself and the type of learner that I am. I am very much a hands-on or tactile learner, which is why I love the setting that I work in so much. In terms of my more immediate future, I would like to improve my computer skills. This is something I've struggled with and more or less ignored for a long time, and I think this is something that could really help me in my career as technology evolves. I think first and foremost, continuing my education in the workplace will continue to be of utmost importance to my career as it relates to lifelong learning. At my hospital, we have several in-services on how to use new equipment and new medications. With the rise of COVID-19, I recently have sat through many of these presentations and had the opportunity for some tactile learning as well. From refreshing on proper precautions to take to learning about the different drug trials that would be rolling out, I've obtained an abundance of new knowledge. I've taken part in administering various experimental drugs. Along with administering these drugs, there was new labs that were being drawn to monitor the effects of the drugs. We've been doing different types of positioning with patients to improve oxygenation, such as putting a patient in the prone position. These were good things that we were forced to learn in a short period of time due to circumstance, but I've gained a lot of good experience and knowledge from it. For the most part, this was a hands-on or tactile learning experience, which definitely helped me retain the information as well.